Alright, so in this video we're going to see how we can reclassify raster cell size. So every single raster file consists of individual different cells since it's a raster image. So let's go to properties. Okay, from properties, if you go to source, then you'll see the cell size in X and Y direction. So the cell size is 0.008333 and in the Y it is 0.008333. So the cells are square cells and the values here are in decimal degrees. So we need to remember that 1 decimal degree is equals to 110 kilometers. Okay, so we're going to be changing the cell size. We're going to see how we can change the cell size in this video. So let's do it. We can make the cell size either coarser or finer. So let's take a look at that. So to do that, we're going to open our Arc toolbox. From there, we're going to go to Data Management Tools. And from Data Management Tools, we're going to go to Raster. So here it is, our raster. From raster, we're going to go to raster processing, and here is raster processing. From raster processing, we're going to open the tool that is called Resample. So here we have Resample. Now we have opened the Resample. Now we just need to input our raster file here. It's going to choose an output class there, and then we can change the X and Y coordinate, the cell size in X and Y. So let's say 20. Let's do another 20 here. Now we can resample with various techniques. This time I'm going to use the nearest, but if you want, you can use the bilinear, cubic, or majority as well. Let's stick with the nearest. Click on OK. It is resampling the raster. It looks like the resample did not work, so let's try it once again. There we go. We have the cell size here this time. Let's do it 0.008 instead of all the threes. 0.008. Click on OK. Let's see if it works this time or not. And the raster has been done. So let's take a look at this. Let's go to the properties. Now we have the source. The source is still 0.00833. Now let's take a look at the one that we just resampled. This is the resampled version. Let's open the properties of this. And in the source, you can see the cell size has changed to 0.008. So the change was not significant. Let's see. Let's bring this one up. Let's close it and bring this one up. Yes, the difference was not that much significant. So this time let's try to do a more significant one. Now let's go to resample again. Let's put the input here. Now instead of that, we're going to try 0.08, and again in here we're going to try 0.08. Now click on OK. Let's see what happens, and our raster is done. This time you can see the change. It is quite significant change. Here it is the resampled version of it. As you can see, the square cell sizes are now bigger than the original one. As you can see here, you cannot tell by looking at them that these are individual cells here, but if I close this one and open our resampled version, you can tell that these are individual cells that are coming together and making this raster image. Okay, so that is how we can resample our raster images in ArcMap. So that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you and you got to learn something new. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.